How to share location on Instagram. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to share your location on Instagram? Here's how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, open Instagram and start a new post, story or reel. You can add a story on both post and your stories. First, let's show our location for the post. After selecting a photo or video, tap Add Location before sharing. Now for the stories, tap the sticker icon and then choose the location sticker and search and select your location. To share it in a DM, tap the location icon in the chat and send your location directly. And that's it. Sharing location in Instagram is quick and easy. And it feels stay connected with your friends or family. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.